Hello and welcome to Baking with Becca, a new segment on our blog, Roger That, and our YouTube channel. So today I will be showing you how to make cinnamon apple pockets. They are delicious. For the recipe, I'm going to be using 1 pound pizza dough, flour, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 cup ricotta cheese, 1 apple diced, and 1 large egg beaten. So first, I am going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Let's do that. Make sure there's nothing in the oven. That would be good. All right. Now I'm going to roll out the pizza dough with a rolling pin. Easy peasy. So it doesn't stick all over me, I'll just dump some flour everywhere. Oh good, it's flour, not sugar. Flour, 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 flour. Maybe put some on my hands. All right. Cut open the bag so it's easier to get out. Get out of there, you stinking pizza dough. All right, so you're going to want to roll this pretty flat because you're going to have to make 12 circles out of it. So maybe I'll put flour on this. There, that'll work. I'm not the best roller. Not terrible, but not the best. Oops. Okay, stop it. Okay. That looks like it will make 12. Over there. All right, so next up, you're going to use something to cut it into 3-inch round, into 12 3-inch rounds. You could use a cookie cutter or maybe even a small glass. So let me get a glass to cut that with. Here, this looks promising. So you're just gonna do this 12 times. I find it easiest to just carve it out. All right, once you have 12 circles or blobs, mine look like blobs, and that's okay. You're going to mix the cinnamon and sugar together in a small bowl. So you're going to mix 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, which is right here. Where did the measuring thingies go? Do, 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 do. Oh, looks good. All right. I'm going in my nose. All right. Going to leave that there for now. Next, we are going to we're gonna measure out 1/4 cup ricotta cheese, which is like the frosting of the cheese world, in my opinion. Okay. 1/4. He's right there. Okay. Do I tamp it down? No. Maybe a little more. Never have too much ricotta, right? All right. So first you're gonna scoop the ricotta onto each one of your circles or blobs. I have blobs, you probably have circles. Kuna Matata. All right, let's begin. All right, you wanna make sure that when you're spooning the ricotta onto your circles and or blobs, you leave a border around it because that's where your egg is going to go. Right now would be a good time to beat that egg. And then after you do that, you're going to put some of a chopped apple over each one of your circles, like so. After you have put the apple on top of the ricotta, you're going to pinch a small amount of your cinnamon sugar mixture and sprinkle it over it like this. It's okay if there's some left, cinnamon sugar mixture left, because you're going to be using it again later. All right, now that you have topped with ricotta, apple, and cinnamon sugar, you are going to brush the edges with the egg mixture, and then you are going to fold them in half and gently press the edges with your fingers or a fork to seal it. Kind of like a little apple burrito, I guess. All right, so Paintbrush might work best for this. So egg. You're gonna lift it up. Lift it up. Fold it. Press it together. And then, stay. This is pretty much the most time-consuming part. Once you do this, you're good to go, though. You got to do it for all of them. Okay. Don't forget to, before it goes in the oven, to poke some holes in it with a fork. All right. Now, you're going to brush it once more with the egg mixture. And you're going to sprinkle some more cinnamon sugar over it. And if it doesn't stay together, whatever. It'll still taste good. You're going to do that for everyone. All right, so now, if you did it over your counter, you have a big mess. But you also have let me grab this light, a pan of apple pockets. So sometimes, as you can see, one in the corner, it's not staying together. Even if it doesn't stay together, it still tastes really good. So you are going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Before you put it in the oven, make sure you sprinkle each one with the rest of your brown sugar. And you also make sure that you covered each one with the beaten egg as well. So first, before they go in, first make sure it's covered with beaten egg and the rest of the cinnamon sugar. You're gonna line a baking sheet with parchment paper. You're gonna arrange the pockets on the baking sheet and poke a hole in the top of each with a skewer. Bake until they're golden for about 20 minutes, and then you're going to let them cool. Again, if they don't stay together, it's fine. Presentation isn't everything. They'll still taste good. As you can see, they didn't all come out perfect, but they're gonna taste delicious, and that's what counts. So I hope you enjoyed this quick baking video. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.